Hello friends, thank you for joining me on this trees-themed photo walk. For this episode I spent my morning at the Oak Glen Preserve and sunset in one of Redland's many warehouse districts. The stills were captured with a Hasselblad 38mm f2.5 lens on the X2D. I chose this combo for its medium format sensor and beautiful color output. My goals were to photograph an apple tree, a sequoia tree, a tree reflected in water, and some iconic California palm trees at sunset. But photo walks aren't just about goals, they're also about the trees you meet along the way. Enjoy! Well, here we have the conifers of California. Oh, look, we have the top of this tree in this circle of branches. That's neat. The largest thing on Earth. It's a giant sequoia. Gosh, love all the shadows on here. Just this scale is tremendous, mighty. It's so much to take in that I'm finding it hard to photograph or even get a significant amount in focus. And that was one of the questions I had this morning, is what focal length am I going to bring? Because photographing these huge trees is so hard because you need a wide lens, but the wider the lens, the more distortion. Fortunately, I only have one lens for the Hasselblad, so we're just going with what we got. Okay, I really like how there's plants growing out of the trunk. Okay, it looks like here is where we start our opportunity to get the path and the trees. Just again with the focal length, how much am I willing to sacrifice? Am I sacrificing this leading line with the path, or am I sacrificing the treetops? I think I'm going to sacrifice the treetops for most of these. This tree always intrigues me, or what's left of it. I think it's got a cool shape, so I always like to silhouette this one. But today it's got a little bit of light. Maybe I can make that look cool in post. That's new. No fishing, no swimming. As always, you got to imagine that the sign is there because somebody did it enough times that it's become a problem. So comment below if you're one of the fools that went swimming in this pond. So, do I take a photo of the reflection of those trees? Even though I did that, I don't know, 2 months ago? Sure. There's the tree I want a photo of. There's so much gunk today, it's not going to give a good reflection. So let's try from over there. Yeah, I love what's going on. You got mountains, dock, tree, cool water. Oh, if that bird had flown by, that would have been neat. That would have been the decisive moment. Maybe I'm not going to get a photo of that tree. Everything seems to be overgrown here. Okay, I'm definitely distracted by these flowers here. These aren't sunflowers, right? Maybe. Can I come in and get a picture? Please. Oh, look at that. B is not in focus. Oh well, they can't all be in focus. Please don't unsubscribe. I'm going to be taking a little trip to the Oregon coast in a few weeks. As you photographers know, it's always a question of what gear do I bring? So, do I take the Hasselblad with the 38 Do I take my Nikon ZF or do I take my Leica Q3? Comment below. Thank you. I like what's happening here. Don't know how to explain it, but we definitely have some beams of light coming through. Three stars. I'm heading down here because there are some apple trees that aren't in direct sunlight. All right. Okay, butterfly garden caught my eye. Not a tree, but that's okay. Whoa, look at this fat beetle. No shame. Ooh, butterfly. Are you gonna land right near me? No? All right, I'll see you later, butterfly. Okay, let's go minimum focus distance. Okay, we've entered the next section that I wanted to visit, which is called the Children's Forest. And my next idea is to get a photo of a sunstar through the trees, right about here. Okay, keep having it back up to frame this beauty. Look at this frame here with these trees, the mountain in the background. Wow. Well, my friends, I think that is the end of my trees-themed photo walk. I do have one other location I hope to visit, but in case I don't make it out there, wanted to say thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time.
Approximately 10 hours later.
So the plan is to do some serious cropping and get some palm tree sunset photos. Okay, we got palm trees, beautiful white clouds. Here's California. Let's put the moon right between these three palm trees and then crop like we've never cropped before.